Here's how to set up and run the SCAIL-2 GGUF motion transfer model inside ComfyUI to animate the reference image using a driving video in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show in a step-by-step guide how to get smooth motion transfer working even on GPUs with limited VRAM. First, download the SCAIL-2 GGUF model with a Q4_K_M version recommended for most users. This is where you'll see several GGUF files including Q2 through Q8. Once you've downloaded it, copy the model into your ComfyUI/models/unit/folder, restart ComfyUI, and make sure it appears inside the unit loader GGUF node. Next, place all of the required supporting models into their correct folders before opening your workflow. Put the UMT5 text encoder in models/text_encoders, the clip vision model in models/clip_vision, the 1.2.1 VAE in models/VAE, the SAM 3.1 model in models/SAM, and the 121 Lite X2V LORA in models/LoRa's. Once everything is installed, load the compatible SCAIL-2 workflow in ComfyUI. You'll see nodes for the GGUF model, reference image, driving video, VAE, text encoder, clip, vision, SAM, and LoRa already connected for motion transfer. Then load your reference character image into the image input node and your driving video into the video input node. You'll immediately see previews of both files inside the workflow. After that, select your SCAIL-2 GGUF model from the unit loader node to connect it to the motion transfer pipeline. Now set your output resolution. A good starting point is 832 by 480, and both width and height should stay divisible by 16 for proper processing. Once everything is configured, click Q prompt to begin rendering. ComfyUI will process each frame and generate an animated video where the character follows the motion from your driving video. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Update ComfyUI to a newer build, update the ComfyUI-GGUIF extension, download the newest SCAIL-2 workflow from the model repository, then restart ComfyUI and reload the workflow. If the workflow reports missing nodes, updating ComfyUI and the required custom nodes usually resolves the issue. Once everything is set, you'll have a rendered motion transfer video with your reference character animated using the movements from the driving video through the SCAIL-2 GGUF workflow. Following the simple steps makes using SCAIL-2 GGUF for motion transfer quick and easy.